Yo, hello traders. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Trading with John, and let's dive in with today's analysis on DXY. Yo, so as the title says, I will start the analysis from this year 2008. I'll make a vertical line basically here, and yeah, I will do the 1 month analysis from here to the current price section, and I will drop down to the weekly and the daily, and I will do the press section of this section basically. Yeah, only that section, because if not I will engage a lot of time basically on the daily, go through the weekly, every price section, every array. So I will do this one. But let's start from 2008, the monthly chart. So basically what the chart did, let me make this one. Yeah, as you, this pivot one, let me make a horizontal. Yeah, this one. Okay, so what's the price did? The price broke the structure. Okay, we had a breakout structure. Okay, and discount and up to take this highest liquidity taken. Okay, good. So now down we have breakout structure down. Let me revert this one. Breakout structure down, internal liquidity, and then external. Okay, so basically you will wonder why this one is not a breakout structure. This one is not a breakout structure. I will not consider a breakout structure because there is no fair value gap in between this section. It is too choppy. It's just an internal structure. As on practicing you will understand why I didn't consider that. So this is external, internal, external. Okay, so where the price found I mean, I will not say support because that's a retail term. The bounce, yeah, I mean, from this one. What is this one? This is called, this is a like demand, an order block, an unmitigated order block. Let me change the color. Yeah, this one looks better. Okay, so unmitigated order block. So unmitigated order block, basically it's an order block which is not touched yet. So it's not touched yet. So look at that, perfectly man. So we have one, two, and now we are looking for upward three section. Okay, let me cancel that. Okay, so now from here I'm looking to take this buy side. Okay, so now we had here a breakout structure. Changing the structure. Okay, so here I'll drop down to the unmitigated order block, then again here, then this is the unmitigated order block, like here one. Let me draw for you guys. Okay, so look at that, we didn't, I mean, okay, good. So what was the main target for me? It was here. Look at that, I mean the buy side is here. Okay, the buy side, then we have this. Then once we clear this highs at adjacent to this price action, we will target what? This one. Then what we can target on high? This one, like this one, and even this one, and even what the price action did. So another formula, I mean another concept, I mean we have the liquidity here, we have a fair value gap above the liquidity. It's more likely that the price action will purge that fair value gap, will go through. Let me draw the fair value gap. Okay, so see the price action, it went through but then rejected. Okay, that's very nice, that's a nice concept. Then what we did after taking this highest liquidity, which is basically this one, we reversed here, we reversed from this breakout structure, internal and one second man. Okay, so breakout structure, internal, we took liquidity, we mitigated the order from this breaker, then external liquidity. Okay, external liquidity. So the PD array was, if you remember, I said from here to here I want to see the price action. So what would be the PD array? Let me see. Okay, so here the price action didn't, I mean, didn't went to, didn't come to discount. It went up to here. Let me see on the high time frame. What was that? So here the break was okay. So man, so this was all balanced. Yeah, because the actual breakout structure was here. We broke the structure. We are still inside that. We broke it. This is a BRP, balanced price range. So this is the reason why we didn't came down. I mean, man, this is logic. Everything is logic. And I went just one time frame above, just to remember that. Only one time frame. Just drop to the main. So here we had another breakout structure. We have the fair value gap again. Tuck, 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 tuck. Internal, external, internal, external, internal, external, until we have the breakout structure here. I will count this low because this is low which they made. Breakout structure, we took the liquidity to the breaker, external liquidity, and we bounced from this, which is unmitigated order block. Look at that, the precision. Now what we will do, down we came, up to take this liquidity up. Okay, so here we broke the structure, we went down. As this is a BRP, balanced price range, we will not come down here, so the price went up to just here, then up, then this PD array went to discount, then we target what, the buy side, which is resides here and it resides here. We have the rejection, then we have this leg up, basically the current one, which we took the liquidity here and we went through, as I said previously. Let me draw this one. We went through the fair value gap, which is this one, and here we have the breaker. Look at that, man. Look at that, the confluence, which is nice. And now where we are currently we are sitting here, the breakout structure. This is 1 month of US, 1 month. Make it capital because I used to make it capital. Okay, so 1 month. So currently we are sitting there. Let me see the RSI. We are not, we can still go further up here, further up, but I need a bullish price action. This is the breakout structure, so I want that one to go up on the monthly, just on the monthly. Okay, so on the monthly, you know where we are. That's quite nice. Okay, let's drop to the 1 week time frame. Yeah, okay, so on the 1 week, this was the 3 dry patterns. Yeah, because basically what the price do is they attempt to make high, but on the other side is a divergence, as you see, and yeah, it fails to go through. And as I make you aware, on the 1 month time frame, it rejected from the breaker plus the fair value gap, so it's very logical. So here we have the weekly breakout structure. Down we go, internal liquidity taken, and then nearest liquidity, then down, then again the nearest liquidity, then down, then again the nearest liquidity, then down, then here. This was in internal liquidity taking event, basically up to here, took the liquidity here. Look at that, the wick, we only take liquidity. Okay, so here was the top. Okay, so this is internal, external. So the price, let me see if it took this line, because logically it has to do internal liquidity then external liquidity. This is the low. Watch here for the lows. This low is 100,820, 107,880. So the low is taken. Cool. So I want the break structure up, but I make you another thing aware of. If you see this array, it has this array which has up, down, premium, discount. So I want this low to be taken, because this is another high of the array. You will become you will know everything once you practice these things, which are very nice. Down, up, down, this is the range array, and then I want the price down here. To make the to go through the sell side, 178. Now drop to the 1 day time frame. Wow, as I said, on the weekly time frame, on the day time frame, we have exactly this array up, high and low. So from here we can draw the premium discounts. This is the premium, this is the discount. The price went up, it swept this buy side liquidity, because the market is sell side, it take this sell side. Now it has to take the buy side, which will create itself. It created itself the buy side. Now it will take what? The sell side, sorry, which resides down here. Therefore it will come down here. Okay, so down along this DXY shit. Okay, which means DXY down, the other pairs, the Euro USD, the GBP USD, the cable will go up, the USD JPY will come down as okay, then DXY pair and the gold. You will know that, bro. So this is the way. So this is the high made, this is the low. The break structure didn't happen yet, so the price can do still go down. So this is the way. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this lecture. It was very insightful. Like this video if you find this insightful, so you support me, and thank you, really thank you, I appreciate. Another thing I want to add, basically, we are here, we are hovering around this array, and look at this, the RSI. The RSI is moving up, but the price action is not moving that much, so it means another low is coming, basically, in price action. Because I don't like to, based on my back testing, you can do your own back testing, but based on my back testing, the price is just hovering at the low and the RSI keep on rising. It means the price is not done yet. Okay, good. So I will wrap this video up, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.